Hello, my beautiful investors. So this is Ikoyi, and it's another time. Yes, another client has subscribed to our real estate cashback, and I am here again today to come and pick the client's possessed check, deed of agreement, the receipts, and investment certificate. So I'm doing this video to show you that if I'm telling you that this thing is real, it is not a scam. I understand you, maybe you might have done some investments and you do not have any return on investment. Maybe they dupe you or they scam you. This is real estate cashback, and it's powered by Zylus Group International, and it's a subsidiary of Zylus Group. And we have our license from Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So I just want you to follow me again. Yes, I've done similar video like this before, but I will keep doing this to tell you that people are subscribing and you can't just keep that money in bank. Anytime you invest with us, minimum of 500,000 naira, and there is no limit to what you can invest. So this is another time you can make up your mind. It's 9 days to go, and by December, I don't know if you are going to do any investment for December. You can enjoy 10 months ROI. Yes, it's 10 months. You wait for 10 months and you will enjoy 30% return on investment. For my client that wants 7 months, you don't want to do more than 7 or 6 months, we package another one for you for 7 months. Yes, we package it for you, and this is 21% of your return on investment. Any amount that you are doing, minimum of 500,000 naira to any amount you want to do. So this is the best time to invest. And like I told you, we expanded, we acquire more land for Lekki Pride III. So we are still doing real estate cashback on Lekki Pride III. And I've explained that we give you receipts, we give you possessed check, we give you deed of agreement. The deed of agreement, all the money you're giving us, we convert it to square meter of land in Lekki Pride III. That won't serve as collateral for you. So you don't have any problem and you don't have anything to worry about. And also, we give you investment certificate to know the maturity period, so that everything is written out white and black. So I will still want you to follow me to the office, yes, to witness one of my clients that invested. Yes, I want you to come along with me so that we can do it. This is Awolowo Road in Ikoyi. So this is our office, is on this road. There is no hide and seek. For Zylus Group International, our head office is on Theophilus Orji Street in Lekki Phase 1. But for the real estate cashback cooperative, we are on Awolowo Road in Ikoyi. So follow me to the office to witness it. I want you to witness it. And don't just witness it, partake of this. We are doing 10 months, and every time is 12 months. So this time we are doing 7 months and we are doing 10 months. Partake of it. You can start small and grow big. Minimum of 500,000 naira to any amount you want to do. So follow me to the office so that we can sit together. Yes, you have to witness this. Let's go. Well done. Good afternoon. So we are here now. It's still the same office. We have not changed the office. So this is real estate cashback office, and this is our reception. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am here to collect my clients' investment deposit check. Okay. What's that? So this is the receipt. So we have that's the deed of agreement for my clients, and we have the investment certificates. So I want you to see it. This is the investment certificates, and this is the deed of agreement, and this is the deposited check. You can see this is the deposited check for my clients. This is it. So if I'm telling you that all this thing is very real, you don't need to worry yourself about this. This is our office. This is where we operate. This is real estate cashback operative office in Ikoyi, Lagos State, Nigeria. So there is no hide and seek of anything. There is no I subscribe, I invest, I did not get my capital and I did not get the return on investment. There's nothing like that. We've been doing this over 4 years. We are still counting, and we've we like more than 3,000 clients. They've benefited from all this. I'm telling you, with no single default. Imagine attending to 3,000 clients on this cashback. Because what we are doing is something you can see, you can feel. Real estate cannot be stolen, it cannot be lost. So this is real. Yes, my name is Olashile David. This is real. This is positive check. This is everything that I usually tell you that we will give you. So this is another client. So why can't you make up your mind? You know, all these things, the return on investment, 30% and 17%, 21%. Any return on investment, we tell you that we'll give you. We've done everything. We've done our assignments that this is suitable for you. We are calling you to partner with us. Let's share the profit together. Instead of us going to the bank and the bank will be charging us every month interest. So why can't you partner with us? Be our partners and let's share the dividends together. So this is real estate cashback. My name is Olashile David, and if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and follow us on all our social media and at Salesville Property. Also, this video, comment, share, like. Share to your friends and family. It is very important. Don't just leave your money in bank. Bank will not give you any return on investment. Invest it. You can do your due diligence. I told you that we are licensed. And our license number, if you want to do your due diligence, I'll give it to you. LSCS 18176. That is our this, and if you want the certificate, the copy of it, you can do your due diligence just to know that we are legit. We are not a company that will take your money and will divert your money. And we have more than 24 estates across Nigeria. So this is not the first time, and we are not using anybody's money to test run this, that oh, is this one will give us profit. We've done our own assignment to make sure that anytime we invest right. And that is why you need to make up your mind and invest in real estate cashback. We can start from 500,000 naira, and it doesn't have any limits. Anything 200 million, 1 billion, anything you want to do. So partner with us and enjoy good return on investment. So I'll be waiting for your call. If you have any other question, let me know. I'll be very glad to attend to you. And also call me right away. I'll be expecting you.